Welcome back. In this section of the program, we are going to discuss cleaning and inspection. You may have noticed just how dirty and messy some operations can be, and naturally the machinery working in such environments will become coated. Certain reduction units, notably the worm drive variety, working in areas of heavy deposits, can run very hot. Virtually all worm drives have ribbed cases, and most have a fan mounted onto the rear of the input shaft. The reason for these design features is to help keep the unit cool during operation. Air is forced by the fan to blow across the ribs of the casing, carrying away the heat which is being created due to thermal losses within the gear set itself. Our point is this. Should the casing become blanketed with layers of product fallout, which we call grime, then the heat will not escape into the airstream, at least not very efficiently. This will result in the lubricating oil becoming very thin, and this in turn will result in a breakdown of the lubrication film between moving parts, with a net result of rapid wearing out of the mechanical components. Simply stated, a dirty or coated unit will tend to wear far more rapidly than one which is kept clean. The cleaning of cooling fins should be a part of every good maintenance plan. Where necessary, the fan area should be cleaned out using the shop air line. AC drive motors will also require a similar cleaning schedule for similar reasons. Naturally, we may only attend to cleaning when the machinery has been switched off and isolated in accordance with regulations. During a lubrication and cleaning operation, it is most usual to perform an inspection of the machinery. Reduction units, as mentioned, rarely present problems, but time should be taken to check them for any obvious or pending problems. Areas that should be checked are the following: the mountings, for faults such as loose fasteners or cracks in this area; oil seals, for signs of leakage; loose, damaged or missing fasteners on the various joints and retainers; the couplings for looseness or fastener problems; the safety guards, ensuring that they are in a safe condition. You may not yourself be able to attend to certain problems. However, you can bring them to the attention of a supervisor or an engineer. There are certain checks that can only be made when the machinery is operating, and of course, this will involve caution. Where it is safe to do so, we might feel the reduction unit for heating and for vibration. As a guide, when you can keep your hand upon a casing for 10 seconds without discomfort from heat, the unit is not overheating. During this time, any vibrations or roughness in operation can be felt. To summarize, regular cleaning, where safe to do so, will reduce the chance of an overheating problem. During lubrication and cleaning operation, we perform a physical inspection, noticing problems or pending problems in order to have them rectified. Where safe to do so, we can feel the operation through a casing, noting any overheating or vibration excesses. After the break, we shall be looking into a typical maintenance or repair procedure.